Natural gas. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge and we're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. As we extend that further to the 4-hour chart, we see the same action, positive MACD, and at overbought condition with the RSI. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and at overbought levels with the RSI. Since we're making higher highs and higher lows to find resistance, we do need to see the volume to decrease as well as the MACD bars to decrease to find resistance. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio, and my long entry is at $10.72, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $13.21, and my stop loss is at $9.95. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $13.92, and my sell target for it is at $11.61, and my stop loss is at $14.72. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 56% chance to climb between 0 to 13%, and to the downside a 44% chance to fall between 0 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.